Introduction to the Medical Uses of Cannabis, written by Pharmacology University, narrated by Anna Marie Graham. Introduction to the endocannabinoid system and the pharmacology of cannabis. Did you know that there is a very important system in our body that not everybody knows about? It is incredible but true. In fact, 30 years ago, we didn't even know that we had it, and it is essential for the balance of the organism. This system of our body is known as the endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system is structured somewhat differently than other systems in our body. If you think about the way our digestive system is structured, for example, you will surely be thinking about organs such as esophagus, stomach, pancreas, among many others. In the case of our endocannabinoid system, however, it does not consist of large organs, but of small proteins and molecules that interact with each other. These include the cannabinoid receptors, which are proteins found in the membranes of our cells, and they work as if they were a lock, in which the endogenous cannabinoids match perfectly as a key. Endogenous cannabinoids, also known as endocannabinoids since they're produced inside our body. They are compounds that are naturally designed to interact with the cannabinoid receptors, and they functioned, like we mentioned before, as if they were the key to a lock. When they do so, they immediately activate a response inside the cell. This cannabinoid receptor interaction is also responsible for all the effects that we attribute today to the plant's derivatives: anti-inflammatory, anxiolytic, analgesic, and more. This may be because the cannabis plant also contains these types of molecules that work in the same way as the endocannabinoids do. We will talk about these plant-derived molecules later on, which are known as phytocannabinoids. In addition to the whole key and lock mechanism, the endocannabinoid system is made up of proteins that facilitate this process. These proteins are known as enzymes. But what are they and what is their function? Enzymes are responsible for synthesizing endocannabinoids as well as degrading them. In short, they are the mediators of their availability in the body. So how did we discover that we have this system in our body? The discovery of the endocannabinoid system happened, in fact, after the research of the Israeli scientists Yechiel Gaoni and Raphael Mechoulam. Both of them performed the isolation and chemical synthesis of one of the most popular cannabinoids of the cannabis sativa plant, delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol. THC is the active principle of the plant, commonly known for its highly psychoactive properties. At the time, due to the high affinity of THC towards fat, it was thought that this compound interacted directly.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?